Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and these are the kits and sounds of Toontrack Stories SDX. So all of these were recorded at Power Station Studios by Frank Filipetti. And as well as the 6 drum kits, you also get a full percussion set right here with loads of MIDI to drive it as well. And another thing to set it apart from other libraries are the different tool variations that you can get. So with the ISO-A kit, the musical theatre kit, we get sticks but also snares off as well as rods and mallets too. Now, as well as the clean basic sounds, we also get the presets from Frank Filipetti as well. So just up here, I can pick those and get all of these sounds dialed in by him. So a real diverse range of sounds there, so big open ambient sounds, but also some pretty produced process ones there as well. In keeping with all the SDXs, we also get loads of extra included MIDI, and I can use MIDI from other SDXs or even from other lines from Toontrack, but different styles and time signatures to choose from. And loads of fills as well. I can use the Superior Drummer 3 mixer to mix within the instrument itself, or I can route out to individual channels in my DAW, and I also have the Tracker tab, also to be found in Superior Drummer 3, which lets me do drum replacement if I want. So there is a number of options for either using your own samples and MIDI, as well as the included grooves and drum sounds that land with Toontrack Stories SDX. So those are the kits and sounds of Toontrack Stories SDX for Superior Drummer 3. To read more about Stories SDX and to find out what we think in our expert review, head over to the Production Expert blog.